So you just make a simple social media post. It shouldn't take any more than 5 minutes. And as you can see, you get $10 for it. Hi everyone, what's going on? This is Greg Kononenko, the Caffeinated blogger. In this video today, we're going to be talking about 4 easy ways to make money online. If you like this kind of videos, then make sure that you click the like button below and subscribe to my channel. I regularly put out videos about ways to make money online, working from home, blogging, and getting traffic. So if you'd like to stay up to date, click that subscribe button and also click the little notification bell icon to make sure that you get notifications as soon as I put out my new videos. Also, check all the links in the description below. I've got a few links there to free courses and various other valuable resources. Now, click that like button and let's get into the details. Alright guys, so the first site on our list of easy ways to make money online is this website called Remotasks. So the URL is remotasks.com. And the way that it works is you can work from anywhere, you can be in any country in the world, you've got some super easy to do tasks and they pay you to complete those tasks. Now I want to show you the type of tasks that you need to do. They really are very simple. Just watch here in the center, you will see an example of an audio transcription task. Okay, so you're just gonna hear some voice or someone speaking in English and then you will need to basically type it all out. Once you've finished typing it out, you will need to click submit tasks and you will essentially get paid for just transcribing that text. It's extremely simple, one of the best ways to make money online. Another example of a task is draw a box around cars or around certain objects in an image. Again, it's super easy to do, as you can see. And another example of a task is categorization. So for example, you get a term like Beat Studio and then you select the category that it belongs to. Okay, it gets paid via PayPal every single week. They pay you every single week via PayPal, so it's extremely simple to do. Now, the good thing here is that there are no special requirements for this task. So for example, as you can see here under the FAQ, let me just scroll here and I will show you. Yeah, so easy to do tasks. Okay, so examples are like drawing boxes around cars or around various objects, moderating content, identifying spam, categorizing t-shirts, and so forth. Who do they actually work with? Well, this company, Remotasks, has been around for a really long time. They work with lots of different companies, including a lot of public companies, so they are very reliable. There is no minimum amount to get paid. Okay, and as you can see, other examples are image annotations, OCR, image transcription, so transcribe important content from an image, collect data, search the web and collect data from anything. So literally anyone can do this. There is no minimum number of hours to get a payout. There is no minimum. You just get paid out each week. Will you really get paid? Yes, you definitely will really get paid. And now I'm going to go inside the interface and actually show you what you need to do. So the first thing that you'll need to do after you log in, so obviously, of course, you need to sign up first. So just go remotasks.com and click the sign up button. After you sign up, you will see what's called exams. Now you will only notice that I have just one exam at the moment. It says audio transcription $1 to $2 per hour. So the way this works, you need to build up your skills and you need to take exams and get, qualifications, so to speak. And they're very simple to do. Don't worry about that. But you do need to take an exam to unlock further exams and unlock further tasks. So for example, the simplest task that you can do is this audio transcription. Okay. After you've done the audio transcription exam, so you'll just need to click take exam. After you've done the audio transcription exam, then you will unlock further exams. For example, categorization, which pays more. Okay, research, which pays more. You will need to do those exams as well. And as you complete each of the exams, each of the levels, you will start getting the jobs in your interface here in the dashboard that you can complete according to those exams. So as soon as you complete the exam about audio transcription, you will unlock the audio transcription jobs. So that makes sense. So you can start doing audio transcription jobs. Of course, they don't pay very much. So then you take another exam and you unlock those jobs. So you can earn anywhere from sort of $5 to $10, $15 an hour at the high levels here. but you need to go through those steps and you need to prove yourself to this website. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed this. Check the links in the description below to get the links to Remotasks as well as a lot of other information. And now let's move on to the next website on the list. The next one on our list is selling social shares, which is one of my personal favorite ways to make money. So what is selling social shares all about? So people want social shares, social bookmarks, right? So for example, if you have a Twitter account or a Facebook account, you will have some followers, and other people who run YouTube channels, for example, or who run blogs, they will want social shares to get higher rankings. Okay, so bloggers want social shares of their posts for higher rankings, because this is one of the things that Google, when they rank search engine results, take into consideration. A blog post with 1,000 social shares is likely to outrank a blog post with 0 social shares. It's a very important ranking signal these days. So what this means is that if you have got certain social media accounts and you don't even have to have that many followers, you can sell social shares and you can share other people's URLs for money. So one of the marketplaces where you can sell your social shares is Fiverr. And I'll prove you in just a second that, I actually have purchased these services myself. I'm going to show you in just a second, but first I want to show you how this actually works. So you can search for various things, for example, social sharing. Okay, and if you click search, you'll see the results. So one of the sellers that I've used myself is this one, Gris Il Dalola. I've done that before to promote certain types of my content, and as you can see, she's got 66 reviews, means that she's actually done a lot more orders, and the gig is very, very simple. So 14 Australian dollars, so that's 10 US dollars that she charges to do that. And basically all she says is that she will share the URL. Okay, so she says, I will share your social profile link, page URL, product on my social media 2 times within 24 hours. And of course, this is only going to take her a few minutes to do, and she collects $10 for doing that. So this is an excellent way to make money online. It's very simple, it's very user-friendly, and you can do the exact same thing. So how would you actually do this? Okay, so I'm just going to outline the steps here for you guys. So first, you will need to open Twitter account and a Facebook page. All right, and then secondly, get some followers. Okay, so get, let's say, 50 to 100 followers on Twitter and 50 to 100 FB page likes. And guys, I'm not going to go into the details of how to do this in this video. You can Google this. This is very simple to do. You can get set up in a couple of days. This is extremely simple to do. All right, if you need help with this, just drop me a comment in this video and I'm going to post some links to some helpful videos how to do that. But basically, once you've opened a Twitter account and a Facebook page and you've got your 50 to 100 followers and 50 to 100 Facebook page likes, then after that, you will go and 3, open Fiverr account, and then 4, post a gig. So your gig, just look at what others do. So basically go in and look for what others are doing. So go something like manual social sharing, one of those types of things. And after you have done that, see how they lay out their gigs and list your gig the exact same way. Okay, and after that is just charge $5 to $10 per post. Guys, trust me, there is demand for this. People do this just to get social signals. You do not need to have followers. People do not do this to get tons of traffic. It's not like one of those things where someone with 1 million people on Instagram shares a link and there's like hundreds or thousands of people go and buy a certain product. None of that. This is purely done for social signals. Okay, so even if you just have 50 followers on Twitter and 50 Facebook page likes, you can certainly sell your service for $5 or $10 per post. As your following grows, of course, you can charge more, but basically this is an excellent way to make money for a complete beginner. It's an easy way to make money online for anyone who is just kind of starting out. If you've never made your first dollar yet, this is an excellent way to do this. So after you've opened and posted your Fiverr gig, basically then from there on, just wait until people order your gig and complete the gig, see how others do this on Fiverr. You can do all of your research there. Cool, so hopefully you enjoyed this one. Let's move on to the next way. The next one on our list of easy ways to make money is usabilityhub.com. So their URL is usabilityhub, like that, .com. And after you've come to this website, you'll be able to sign up as a tester by clicking this button at the top, Become a Tester. The reason why I really like the Usability Hub website is because they are very reliable. They work with some of the top brands in the industry. You can see that they're partnered with Amazon, Google, TaskRabbit, Airtable, so all the huge companies. So they're super reliable, and that means that you are going to get paid, you're not going to get scammed, and you will actually get your money. So after you click on Become a Tester, you'll be taken to this screen here where it says Join our panel of dedicated testers. So what will you actually do? You will be asked to do some very simple tasks that have got to do with usability of various applications or websites. And generally they are extremely simple. They prefer people with no experience. You don't need to be a developer. You don't need to be some kind of a technical expert. They actually prefer to work with people, with testers who are regular people who don't have a lot of technical knowledge, because that's the general user base of the applications that those companies want to test, okay? And they will ask you to do certain things. For example, they will ask you to find something or click somewhere. So they run short user tests and design surveys, and the program allows you to participate in that. Once you've accumulated at least 100 credits, you can request a payout. Now, this is 10 cents per credit, okay? So once you've accumulated $10, that's when you can request a payout. And it even says here you don't need to be a usability expert to participate. So most test creators prefer ordinary people over professional designers and developers. All right, so how much do you actually get paid? Now they pay 10 cents per credit, and most tests pay 1 to 3 credits. So something like between 10 to 30 cents per response, okay? And there could be multiple responses. Obviously, it's not just going to be one response. In a test, there's going to be multiple responses. I've done a little bit of digging around how much you can make. So you can make anywhere from $5 to $10 to $15 an hour, depending on the tests that are present on that particular day. And it's just an excellent way for you to be able to make some money. It's one of the very simple and easy ways to make money online, make money from home, just from the comfort of your own home when you've got a little bit of time to spare. So go ahead and register. I highly recommend that you register for usabilityhub.com. There's going to be a link in the description below. Just check the link in the description below. If you enjoyed the list of these websites, then give me a like on this video. That really helps me know that you guys enjoy this content and helps me put out more videos in the future. Now there's one more way of making money that I want to talk to you, so let's get to that. My favorite way out of all the ways to make money online is blogging. This is what I personally do, and this is what I recommend everyone starts doing as soon as possible. Now, I want to talk to you a little bit about working versus blogging and why you really should try to build your own blog, or we can also call it a niche website, as quickly as you can. So let's talk about the difference working versus blogging. So the good thing about working is that you can make money quickly. Okay, so essentially you either work in a job or perhaps in one of those websites that I just talked about before, and you can register on one of those websites, and literally same day you can start earning money. So it's a great way, and I think you definitely, if you're looking for a way to start making money as quickly as possible, you definitely should go ahead and register and start working on those websites. But you should make a move progressively over time to having a blog, and that's what I want to explain to you why. So with working, even if you do work, for example, 40 hours per week, multiplied by, let's say, just for simplicity, $10 per hour, what you're looking at making is, of course, $400 per week, okay? And these figures could be different. You can work more hours, or maybe you can make more per hour, but essentially you've got a ceiling of, let's say, whatever it is, $1,000, $5,000 or $10,000 a month. It's hard to make over $10,000 a month. Over 10K equals hard per month. you need to be in a really good job, and you know, if you're looking at those micro working sites, it's actually probably quite impossible to make over 10,000 per month. Now, when you look at blogging, blogging is slow to start with, okay? Because essentially what happens is you put out various content, various information online, people start finding you through search engines, but it's a slow process. You obviously need to build it. You need to build it up. However, it's passive. So if you have many pieces of content out there on your site, you will get a lot of passive traffic. Okay, you will get lots of traffic passively, and that's the good thing about blogging. Now some of my blogs that have been around for years, you know, they're getting hundreds of visitors per day, some of them getting over 1,000 visitors per day on some days, and I don't need to do anything for it. It's completely 100% passive. You can have affiliate links in content, you can have AdSense in your content. So this is where the true passive income actually starts, and that's why I think that blogging is one of the best ways to make money online. You do need to kind of slowly transition to this, you know, always think about this. What am I actually doing? Am I trading time for dollars, or am I actually creating a passive income for myself? Because that's where the secret to you know, being truly happy and kind of like making a lot of money online actually is. It is within blogging and getting that passive free traffic and then converting it into sales. Now, you can have a blog in any niche. I've got blogs in multiple niches. And guys, if you want a free guide on how to start your own profitable blog, then scroll down into the description below. There is a link to get my free 7-day blogging course. Make sure that you grab that. It's helped a lot of people already, and I think that you're really going to enjoy it, and it's going to help you move from working to actually starting to grow your own passive online income and start growing that over time. Because what happens is, as you put out more and more pieces of that content on your blog, you know, once you've got, let's say 30, 40, 50, 100 posts on your blog, you're going to be able to scale up. And even if you go away for like a week or 2 weeks or a month, you take holidays, once you've set up all of those systems, they're going to be automated for you. And that's exactly how many bloggers, so many bloggers are making high 4 figures, you know, low 5 figures, even high 5, 6 figures every single month from just having a blog, because it's completely passive and you can just continue growing it. So make sure to grab that free 7-day blogging course. The link is in the description below. I think you guys are going to love that free course that will help you start your own blog as quickly as possible. That's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure that you click the like button below this video, and also click here on the screen to subscribe to my channel. I put out regular videos that talk about ways to make money online and get traffic to your blog or niche website. Also, if you want, drop me a comment below this video. Tell me that you enjoyed this video. Tell me what you thought. Tell me some of the future topics that you'd like me to cover, and I will reply to you and I'll officially welcome you to my channel. So thank you so much for watching once again. This is Greg Kononenko, the Caffeinated blogger, and I'll see you guys around.